Hey guys and gals, I'm The Terrain with Server.pro, and the first pre-release candidate for 1.16.2 has just dropped. There are a few bug fixes pertaining to the game crashing, but let's not waste any more time and get into the fixes. In previous versions, 1.15 and 1.16 resource packs were not cross-compatible, as block states for walls and chains were changed in this version. However, in this pre-release candidate, 1.16 texture packs must now have their pack_format set to 6, while 1.15 packs will have their pack format remain at 5. End skies and nether skies would not render properly on pre-release 3 servers, as you can see with these images provided by user KennyTB on the bug forums, but this bug has been fixed in this pre-release candidate. In previous versions, there were multiple bugs that caused the game to crash. Bugs that cause crashes include the entering of certain custom dimensions or biomes created in datapacks, entering biomes with no spawner arrays, entering a super flat world that does not use one of the pre-made presets, and finally, the game would sometimes crash after entering a nether portal. However, this pre-release candidate has solved all of these bugs. And that is actually all for this pre-release video. I know that it was short, but that means that the 1.16.2 is going to be released very soon. And it's expected to be released on the 11th, which is 3 days from this upload. If you haven't already watched our other snapshot videos, hit the eye in the top right corner to stay updated. And if you like these types of videos, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more. If you'd like to create a free server on this pre-release, which you can play on with your friends, head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'm The Terrain. Peace out.